kitchen for today lunch. This is a friendly gym menu. So guys, this is chicken. So, ako na lang gumawa ng minced chicken. So, optional yung capsicum, carrots, pero nilagyan ko siya. Pwedeng hindi pwedeng nilagyan. So, just very simple salts and soya sauce. So, you can put this one chili paste or sambal. So, mamadali ako. Wala akong mahagilap na chili paste. So, sambal lang nilagay ko dyan, guys. Ayan. Minced fry. Ayan, minced fry. Minced chicken. Ayan, so guys. This is gym-friendly food. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, bagong menu natin. So, nag-gym yung alaga ko. So, ito yung niya. Na-request niya. Ayan siya, guys. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Lani Kitchen once again. Bye!